Hello everyone, today I'd like to share with you our excellent design, the Smart Dining Table Series. You can see this is our lifting fridge system with fridge and freeze to separate cooling needs. You can put the cooler to this area and the ice cream for here. Our smart dining table also has two lorries for a big storage space. You can control this LED touchscreen to control the refrigerator temperature. You also can use this remote control to control the lifting and the lowering. You also customize the material like this marble. You can also enlarge the size and turn it into a long conference table. Like this, here also a special design for a tea table.